Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Nano Banana in Leonardo AI, okay? Now this is going to be very simple to use because Nano Banana is available since September 11, I think, to use as a model inside of Leonardo AI. So it's going to be very simple to use. You just have to select it from the model selection menu. So what are you going to do? You're just going to come to your Leonardo AI application as you can see here. And now I'm basically gonna go to my image, okay, to my AI tools and images because Nano Banana is an image generation tool. It's not a video or anything like that. And now, normally the default model is gonna be either Lucid Origin or maybe Flags, depending on your account. But what you can do is you can actually go to model, you can select Nano Banana, as you can see here. Now the only disadvantage is that this is gonna cost you maybe like more tokens to generate. So this is something to keep in mind, especially if you're running on a free account. Amazing. Now, what are you going to do? Prompt enhance, you're going to leave to auto because I think a Nano Banana is pretty good already, so you don't have to need to give a lot of details. And the style, you should keep it dynamic, okay? Just let that Nano Banana decide what kind of style you want to generate because, like I said before, it's very good. So you don't actually need to give so much, guidance. Now, the number of images, as you can see, you can select 2, 3, 4, or just one. Okay? And now, what are you going to do? The most important thing, guys, is probably the image guidance. If you select in here, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to upload certain images in here to use as guidance, or you can ask to modify an image, for example, or to add details or to edit things. Okay? But you can also, for example, create something from scratch. So I'm just going to give this a prompt and no image guidance, and I'm just going to click on generate. Let's wait a few seconds because it's going to try to generate an image using this prompt in here, a high-heeled shoe. And this is how it's going to look. It looks amazing, looks much better than the other models that I used before for this particular prompt. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can use it. Thank you so much.